So guys, for the first method, once you're on Spotify, you want to look in the bottom right, make sure that this is not muted. Make sure that this is not muted and that you have this turned up. For the second method, in the bottom right of our taskbar, you want to click on the speaker icon, and now you want to click on select a sound output. Make sure that you have your correct output device selected. Now we're going to go back, and again, make sure that this is not muted and that you have this turned up. See if that works. And now for the next method, we're going to head it with search and type in S&D VOL. Click on it. And now once you run this, we're going to find Spotify. Again, make sure that this is not muted and that you have the sound turned up. See if that works. If that's still not working, then for the next method, you're going to head it with search and type in add or remove programs. Click on it. And now once you run this, we're going to scroll down till we find Spotify. Here it is. You're going to click on the three dots and then click on uninstall, and then you want to uninstall Spotify. And then once you uninstall Spotify, we're going to head it with search again and type in Microsoft Store. Click on it. And then once you run this, we're going to search for Spotify. Click on it. And now you just want to re-download it again, and this should now fix your problem.